Hey fam, Liz Granite here, and today I'm going to take you on a meditative walk through my neighborhood. Let's go. Walking meditations are another way you can practice mindfulness and experience its healing benefits. Your breath can be your anchor, or you can always return to the rhythm of your feet when your mind wanders. Lean into that rhythm. Feel the lifting and stepping of each foot, the way your ankles and knees bend with each step forward. Feel your weight shift from side to side. Maybe your hips sway and your arms swing too. Can you feel your shoes on your feet? Where do you feel pressure on the soles of your feet? Is there any discomfort? Are your toes engaged in each step? Keep breathing. What do you see as you walk? What treasures are revealed? What tiny worlds have you discovered within your very own? Take in all the colors, shapes, and textures. If you've been feeling stuck, maybe seeking a solution to one of life's challenges, or caught up in an old storyline in your head, feeling trapped in a negative emotion, a bad mood, moving your body can help you move your mind. Get that energy flowing to wash away the old and invite in something new, something different. What can you smell as you walk? I wish you could smell this pizza right now. Breathe in the scents that surround you. Feel the air travel through your nostrils and into your lungs. The rhythm of your breath and the rhythm of your steps is there for you to return to. There are so many sights to take in, down below, at eye level, and up above. Look all around. Notice how the world is moving too. Shimmying, shaking, dancing, rolling, walking. What sounds can you hear? Listen to the sounds surrounding you. The rushing river, chatty park goers, bird songs, and car traffic. What can you hear nearby? And what can you hear if you extend your ear? Can you feel the wind on your face as you move through it? Taste the air. Really taste it. Reconnect with your rhythm. If you've walked this path before, do you perceive anything you hadn't noticed until now? Walk where you are drawn to. You deserve to feel safe when you walk. You deserve to move through the world safely. Are any textures calling out for your touch? How do your feet respond to the different surfaces they walk upon? When all your senses are engaged, when you're here and now, fully present, you may perceive your surroundings differently. You may feel a renewed sense of curiosity, of possibility, and with this level of awareness, your mind is now fertile ground for a fresh insight, a revelation. Give yourself permission to linger, to take your time. Feast on the sights, sounds, smells, and physical feelings that your surroundings provide. Can you feel a shift inside yourself? Maybe you've walked right out of your funk and into the funk. This practice is always available to you. The world is inviting you to play, to revel in her beauty, to lose yourself in your senses and find your capital S self. You know the one, that small, still voice that always leads you back home. All right, I made it back. I just stocked my artistic pond with all sorts of creative ideas and got to clear my head, move my body, see my neighborhood, feel more connected to myself and to this beautiful place I get to call home. So I hope you enjoy a good meditative walk wherever you are, whenever it's available to you. And remember that moving your body can help you move your mind when you get stuck. All right, I'll see you next time. Peace.